Question number 8 of A.C. VERMA Concepts of Physics, Chapter 3 and Objective 1. So we have question: in a projectile motion, the velocity, and we have options. A says that is always perpendicular to the acceleration, is never perpendicular to the acceleration, is perpendicular to the acceleration for one instant only, and is perpendicular to the acceleration for 2 instants. Now let us see a very simple question, but we need to understand. First of all, what is a projectile motion? A motion which makes a projectile, which is something like this. If we throw a ball, it will go and it will complete a projectile and then it will drop. So if this is the ground, it will drop back. So in a projectile motion, the tangent of the projectile is the direction of the velocity. So every time the direction changes. So now right here the direction is like this will be the direction. If ball reaches this point, the direction will be tangent to the projectile right here, and if it reaches the summit, the top point, then this will be the direction of the ball, or this will be the direction of the velocity. And then again it will reach here with the direction in the tangent, and then again it reaches here, and this time the direction is directly, it's straight to the direction of the ball. Now we have the statements here. What time it is perpendicular to the acceleration. So throughout the projectile motion, the direction of acceleration is downward towards the center of the earth, and that acceleration is actually g, acceleration due to gravity. So direction of g is this in every situation. And what you see here, in only one instant, when the ball is at the top point, top position, that time only the direction of g, just a moment, the direction of g and the direction of v, velocity of the ball, and direction of acceleration due to gravity, is perpendicular to each other. So in only one instant. So C is the correct option. Thank you.